Hey everybody, I'm Heather Dodge. I'm your instructor for LIS 85, Introduction to Information Resources. And I'm going to talk to you guys today a little bit about myself and basics around the course. So who am I? I'm a Bay Area native. I grew up in San Francisco. I graduated from Mills College, so go Cyclones. And then I left the West Coast for the East Coast and lived in New York for about 8 years, where I got my graduate degree in library science and then got another degree in humanities and literature. After that, I wanted to move back to the West Coast to be closer to my family. So I came back here and I've been working at Berkeley City College for about 7 years. I am a mom to 2 little kids. They are 8 years old and 8 years old and now 5 years old. And this is a picture of us living in Norway. So we lived in Norway for a year, and this is a picture of them on a trip that we took to one of the beautiful fjords. So let me get you guys kind of oriented about the course. So what is this course about? This course is about preparing you to be better researchers. So I use things like library databases and the internet and different web sources to teach you guys how to be more critical of the information that you see and read and how to use that information to your advantage when you are doing research. Course basics. So there's a few things that you need to know, and in another video I'll show you the Canvas course. But these are the kind of basics that you need to know. The syllabus, which is posted on our Canvas shell, is going to tell you everything that you need to know about the course. That is our grading policies, how many points each assignment is worth. It's also going to give you a calendar and show you what to expect for each week, and then it's going to talk to you a little bit about each assignment and what you should expect. The course homepage is going to change every week. So every Monday morning when you log into the course, you will see a new week for that course. And that will tell you what our themes are, what assignments you have to do, and we'll give you a checklist of things that you need to do for the week. So if you miss a week or if you get behind, you can go back into Pages and look for that week number in the Pages. So other useful tabs are going to be the quizzes, the assignments, the discussion, and of course, that syllabus. So the other thing you should know is in this class, you are going to use one research topic to do most of the assignments. So it needs to be a good one. And you can use a research topic from another class. You can use a career that you're interested in researching. You can use a current news topic. A lot of people choose to use a topic from another one of their classes. So maybe it's an English class that you're doing a research assignment in, or maybe it's a history class or a political science class. I'm very flexible. So I want you to pick a topic that you can do a lot of research on. So important dates. These are things that you should remember. Sunday nights, assignments, forums, and any quizzes are due for that week. Monday mornings, I change over to the next week, so you will be able to see the new weekly class page. Tuesday nights. Anybody who posts on the discussion forum by Tuesday night gets 5 extra points. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but they actually add up over the semester, and it can mean the difference between an A and a B or a B and a C. December 13th, that is the last day that you can submit any work for this course. And we wrap up our entire course by December 13th, and I will hopefully be able to give you grades by December 18th. So those are the basics about the course, and I look forward to seeing you all on Canvas. Bye.